Hi, I'm Danie Nel, and today I'm going to just show you quickly how to make a weathered looking wood background. What I have here is an example of pine wood that has authentically been weathered. It was in my garden, part of a fence. We're going to go for something more or less like this. I do a lot of wine photography, and so what often happens is that some people prefer sort of a rustic look, and if you're a food photographer, or if you're somebody at home that likes taking pictures with your iPhone, having a good background is half of the charm of the picture normally. And I am preparing today to shoot some wine bottles for a client, and on their estate, the wooden furniture around the estate that's out in the garden has actually been weathered over the years and has turned grey. So if you have oak or certain pine woods, they will turn grey. Now, it's very difficult to find wood that's authentically gone grey and is still good enough to use as a background. So I have this pine shelving that I bought from my local hardware store, and it's a very, very simple process. What you do is, first off, you take some white vinegar and you take a steel wool scour, and you leave the steel wool scour in the vinegar for about 24 hours. What you'll also need is tea. So what you do first is you just very lightly paint the piece of wood. Like I said, this is something that you can use as a decor idea. This is something that you can, for a photography background, whatever. If you have the need to tint or weather a piece of wood, now you know how to do it. Now, from previous experience, I do know that if you put too much tea in there, that once you add the vinegar, it turns completely grey, which is not necessarily what you want. You want sort of a light, faded look. So we've given the tea some time to settle into the wood, and now let's take a brush. You can use a sponge as well. Let's paint on the vinegar. The effect should be fairly quick, not immediate, but fairly quick. At this point in time, you drink your coffee and you wait. Righto, so we gave it about 5 minutes in front of my little blower heater. I took it to my office and put it in front of a little heater fan, and so that it's a little bit clammy, but it's not too bad. Now again, that is wood that has been outside for 10, 12 plus years and has been treated with obviously exterior varnishes and things, and then that is what we've done in about 10 minutes of rapid aging. And this will work just fine for the purposes that my client has required. This is not a photography hack. This is a decor woodworking hack that I can use for photography, but I'm sure you can use for anything else. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, all those things that helps a YouTube channel grow, and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.